Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Afnan, Gaming with Afnan, whatever you want to call me. And today I'm gonna be installing my last component of this computer that I was building. As you can see, I got my motherboard in it, and all I need to install is my processor, which I received just today. So yeah, I'm gonna just cut the seal. As you can see, it's Sempron, AMD Sempron. I was using AMD FX, but then I canceled the transaction and I got this one because yeah. Alright, let's see. Let me get my Caesar. Okay. It's so hard. Whoa, cool. So here it is. Got my little processor in it. Just be careful. And then finally the heatsink itself. Instruction manuals, which I don't need because I'm a pro. Okay, so and what I'm gonna do right now, take this wire off for now and put it back like that. Take off this sticker in order to install it. Okay, pick it up. Let me just open this up. Oh god, I'm seriously scared right now. Okay, here it is. Just gonna install it like that. Just like that. There we go. It's in it. There we go. It's installed. Time for heatsink. Please come out. Go. Okay. It already got thermal paste on it. Put it in like that. Just do this. The hell? Oh, I got it. So I have to put my phone down for now, just to install this processor. Come on, come on. There we go. And the processor is installed. Let me just plug in CPU fan. There it is. Pop in. There we go. The moment of truth is almost here. Okay, there we go. It's snapped in. Everything good. I'm cleaning it up. Plug in my VGA cord in order for it to see. I'm sorry I didn't turn on the light, the flashlight. Power. Plug it in like that. Keyboard goes there. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, power is now. Oh god. Must work. Oh my god. I can't believe it's working. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh, wait a second. I need to turn it off right now. Okay, so thanks for watching. And yeah, as you can see, I'm a pro. Thanks.